Alright, so here we go again. Where you go, bro? Ayan, so ito po yung dun sa sikat na bato ng Kalugong. Dito po siya papunta. Yan, tignan niyo naman yan, oh. O, diba? Okay, let's go. Where will we go first? There, in the rock there. Ayan, so nandito naman tayo ngayon sa may Mount Kalugong. Ayan, at yan po yung ating vlog for today. Magano tayo, ikot-ikot dito sa place, no? So tignan natin kung ano yung nagbago after the pandemic. Kasi before the pandemic po kami last na nandito. Yeah, so we go here first. Yeah, here. Which bato?
The one up.
Did you take many videos a while ago? Okay. So we go here first. Let's go. No, don't hold that one. Here, down here first.
It's so grassy here.
Ah.
Can I take off my shoes?
Oh. Ayan. So that's what you can see here. There. No, that's not the view deck. Okay. There. Okay. Ayan guys. Dito na po tayo. Ano natin yung ano. Send careful ah. papunta doon sa may bato doon. Let's go, bro. Yeah. Can do it. Alright, ayan, no? Tignan natin pag ganon. Woohoo! Wait. Alright, ayan guys, no? So yun po yung ating Kalugong tour. Ayan, so marami pang pwedeng puntahan doon, kaya lang syempre kasama natin yung mga kids. So yun lang yung mga napasyal natin. Okay, so yun po guys. And mamaya na.